At the moment I'm building an 8-bit computer following instructions on eater.net. I'm new to electronics, so this isn't my own design. I just wanted to run through everything that's going on here. So at the moment this is our clock output, this is what's being put onto the bus. And that's coming from this astable pulse, which is this 555 timer here. Is generating this pulse, and we have our toggle switch set to output that pulse to the clock. And this pot here controls the resistance on the control gate. So if we alter the resistance, you can slow the pulse down by increasing resistance. You can speed it up, and however you want to go about it. The other thing we can do is we have a halt line tied into our logic here. The logic is inverters, AND gates and OR gates. And if we pull this high, you're going to see, well, that's back to ground. Pull it high, see that the clock stops. It ignores what's going on here. And that's so that in future a program can halt the execution of the machine. So if we pull this back to ground, the other thing we have is a debug mode. So you can see here this LED is just telling us that we're in astable mode. So if I toggle this back over, you're going to see we no longer have our clock pulsing with the astable, and what's happening is this push button is now our clock. So we've debounced it through this 555 chip to prevent from multiple activations every time you push it, and we can pulse the clock manually. And this third 555 timer is acting, we're just using the internal latch for this switch here, again for debouncing, to make sure that we don't accidentally switch between and get multiple clock pulses.